Hello guys, we're back with another video, and we got something that it's a ball for developing your skills.
So here's the story. I was looking for something to actually improve the striking, and I was thinking because your younger brother, they use a size 3 football, and the reason why they use a size 3 football is because being 8, they can't generate the power to strike the ball, so they use a lighter ball. Apparently that's the reason why. So I thought, well, what if you could get a ball that was heavier, and if you learn to strike a heavier ball, you could then maybe strike your shots harder with more power and more control, because when you use a lighter ball, maybe easier, or maybe it wouldn't be, because you'd be used to striking a hard ball, so maybe it'd mess everything up. So anyway, I was looking on the internet, and I come across this thing, which was in Argos for £18, reduced from 24, and it's apparently been developed, and lots of teams and people training football use it to to improve football skills, because it's meant to be very sticky. So if I read it here, it's upside down, it'll be upside down. The Mamba is an innovative ball that has been created using unique surface grip technology. The special design gives you greater touch, control, and the confidence to take your skills to the next level. A range of Mamba tricks and techniques have been developed for you to practice and perfect. Try the tricks below, as well as others in the tutorial leaflet included in the box, and get involved online at mambaball.com or hashtag Mamba Skills. So it's got this part on the back, shows some skills, and in the box, should I open it? Do you want to open it?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to open it. We're going to try not to. Yeah, there you go.
For once, we're actually not tearing everything up.
I'm not tearing it, this is my Argos. So what we got in there?
So we have a pen and this plastic
rubbery thing that you're going to have to pour. It is actually the correct, apparently it's the correct size 5 ball for adult size football, so it's fine for you. And it's really, have a feel? Really it's a bit come off there. Really sticky, textured, rubbery, kind of grippy surface, as you can see, all screwed up. So we're going to pump it up. And it's got a leaflet in here as well, showing you lots of different things you can try. So it's quite glossy, nice. And it's got a bit of that. Yeah. And some skills. There's some videos as well, people developed it doing some skills, but they're quite good at the skills. They've probably spent a long time practicing. And there's a few YouTube videos of these people trying them out, and quite impressive, the skills you develop. I just figured there may be another way for you guys, you and your brother, to develop your football skills. Could maybe translate to the football match. Obviously football isn't about just doing fancy skills, it's about ball control, and this is all about ball control, I can only assume. So the other thing we've got to do a review on is a sense ball. That's another thing we've got to do, but I figured we'd do this quickly because we wanted to use it tomorrow, and we want to do unboxing today, and maybe we can do a bit of feedback tomorrow, because we're going to go to the AstroTurf pitch tomorrow, aren't we? So probably get it pumped up, have a quick look at it, and go from there. Okay, so we'll see you in a bit.
And it comes with this pump, so it has this bit, which is really cool. You take off the top, this thing, then take this out.
Oh, that's awesome.
And then you get on the other side and screw it in.
We can use it for when we're pumping out balls, but we've got a pump already.
And then you can go
Yeah. So we'll try. Let's pump it up anyway. Should we just do it now? Let's keep it on.
Yep.
So these kind of things. But with this, yeah, you can pump it up. So be careful. Don't just because apparently someone who did a review on the Argos website actually said it broke straight away. There are some places it's a bit cheap. I think Level Sports. Level Soccer, sorry, was selling a bit cheaper, but obviously you pay for posting. All I did was get online, pay for it on the Argos website, and chose to collect it from our local Argos. So I did it the night before. I got a text message, I got an email and text with all the details to collect it straight, really quick, so you can collect it tomorrow. So it's brilliant. So I went and got it and went from there for the sake of £6 cheaper actually.
And by the way,
but
guys,
the postage. If you bought from a website, you'd obviously be paying postage, so it might not be that much cheaper anyway. So you meant to pump it up, right? So let's do a bit more. So.
And by the way, guys, all this stuff my dad never tells me about it, so he's very sneaky.
You're very sneaky. But yeah, so it's quite heavy. You see that was quite
Is it heavy?
No, it's the same weight as maybe the same weight as a normal football, but it's very bouncy. It's like the only way I can describe it is if you remember. I remember when I was younger, we used to have these footballs we actually used in school. No, in school, and they were like plasticky. Inside and outside, they were almost like a basketball kind of football. And when it hit you in the face, it would kill on the skin. Your bare thigh when you're doing football training, it would kill. And God forbid you ever got one in the head or in the face, because it was pretty vicious. So this is not quite as bad as that, but similar. But it's all textured, you see. It's pretty cool quality kind of stuff. It's not not anything cheapy. And you get the pump, which is pretty good. I think we need to do a little bit more, tiny bit more, do a tiny bit more. So it does definitely bounce. This is gonna, it will improve your skills because you're gonna have to learn to control the stuff from bouncing away from you. Don't do a little bit more, go on. We don't want anything on it. We don't want too rock hard. Right. Don't stop there. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, really quite bouncy. So so we're going to try some stuff on it tomorrow, and we'll give you some feedback. But yeah, it's quite nice quality, very rubbery in texture. What do you feel? Have a feel of it. Very rubbery in texture.
It's not like rubbery as in the grip places. Yeah,
so not sticky, but it's quite rubbery. So your boots will catch it quite good. We'll have to do some shooting with it as well, try some shooting. And I'd say as well, we do a lot of stuff where we just get tennis balls and shoot with them, different size boards and flat boards and over inflated boards and a bit flat, and try everything, because obviously we need to, if you can strike a ball that isn't perfect or strike a ball at a funny angle or with a funny bounce, you should be able to strike or get under control. So this is going to be one of these balls that just bounces off your shin, this kind of, or bounces off your boot. And you have to use more.
So can you do kick-ups with this?
Yeah, apparently I was looking at a YouTube video, because obviously when you're looking for football gear and football stuff or anything, you go on YouTube. One of the first places you go to have a look and see if people are using it, done a review of it. And there was a review, and the lad that was doing it with some brilliant skill. He's obviously been practicing quite a lot. He's got some real good skill with it. So. You can develop some good skills, and it's all about practice. Like anything else, we say, always say, these guys that know about football, Socceroos for you, Unisport. These guys, they always say that football boots and football gear will not make you a better footballer if you're not good. Anyway, at the top pair of football boots won't make you better at football. It'll maybe enhance or give you enhancement to your football if you're good, but only getting good is by practicing. Like anything in life, you practice, put effort in, and use all these resources you can get hold of, and we've always said, haven't we, it's better than sitting in front of a TV all day or playing on these games console all day. Nothing wrong with that, but I think you're getting, seeing an improvement, aren't we, with all these things? Isn't it? So yeah, so we'll give anyway, we'll just go tomorrow, hopefully tomorrow, and have a go and give you a bit of feedback. We'll go from there. Okay.
Okay guys, please like and subscribe to this channel and I'll see you next time. Peace out.